What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the Brown Gent. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your OmniFlix or FLIX airdrop that just got released. And this is somewhat time sensitive because you only have until January 9th to claim it. So let's get into it. But before we get into the video, just remember, nothing here is financial advice. You've got to do your own research. And as usual, I'll include the links for everything that I show in this video. So the first thing that we can do is we're following OmniFlix Network, and they posted a tweet saying that the FLIX drop clock is ticking. If you're an Atom staker, you can claim your FLIX tokens until January 9th, 2 p.m. UTC. And we know that this is the official website because we've been to this before. Maybe you haven't, but I have, so just trust me on this one. And it's also the official, which is why we always follow them when we see them on Twitter. Not because we want to see their tweets as much as it is we want to make sure that when we see them interact, we know who the authentic ones are versus the ones paying for ads or making those slight changes to the name. So the first step is to go to this address. Once again, link is in the description. Once you do that, it'll open up to this page, the marketplace. It's basically, you see a few titles. You see curated, eligible, all, and FLIX drop. You click on eligible. Now, if you've earned an airdrop or a FLIX drop, you'll see the button to claim it here when you go to eligible. As you can see here, I screwed up. I earned a FLIX drop about 6 months to a year ago. I never claimed it because I didn't know. And I'm making this video so that none of you have the same fate. So to claim your FLIX drop, you will need a bit of gas. Now, I have 0.78 FLIX in my account. You can see this right now at the top. But just in case you don't, here's how you can get some. Go to Osmosis Zone. And Osmosis Zone, once again, the link is in the description. You go to Assets on the left. So I'm going to show you here, Assets. And then you deposit any assets into your account so that you could trade it. In this case, I have Atom in my account, so I don't need to deposit. But if I did, I just click deposit here, add some Atom, put this into the protocol. Then what I will do is I will go back and I will go to swap right here, the top left. By clicking swap, I will now pick to move from Atom. I will click on Osmo. And it's weird. You can't type in FLIX. You got to type in Omni for it to show up. And it shows up with FLIX. Okay. Now, let's just put all of that Atom token into FLIX. So I'll get 3.48 FLIX token because FLIX is worth something around like 20 something cents right now. I'll move the Kepler transaction where you can see it. It's about 4 cents to approve. So be it. We'll just wait for this to get completed. You can see here, it's transaction is broadcasting, and we will go to our assets on the left side once again to see if that transaction has completed. And when we go here, let's see if I have any left. Let me just refresh. Okay, so now we have our FLIX token. We have 3.617721. The next step is to withdraw it, because if you don't withdraw it, it will stay in your Osmosis account, which is effectively staking it in the Osmosis protocol without really staking it. So we can withdraw all of this because when you withdraw any amount, you pay the gas token of the protocol. So I'll pay Osmosis once again. And you can see that right here, I'm paying 1 cent and I've hit approve. So now it's going to withdraw this 3.61 FLIX to my FLIX address, and we'll see in the bottom here that this transaction is pending. Now that that has been successful, we'll go all the way over here and you can see the balance has been reflected, 3.9885563. Okay, you know, one of the things I'm noticing is when I'm doing these screens and recording, it sort of hides a bit of stuff, so I have to zoom in. In the future, I won't use those screens just so you can see everything. Now we'll go back here and we'll claim our FLIX drop. So we'll click claim. And when you do this, you have to select the NFT to burn. And It'll ask me to sign a transaction. And here we go. So you see that right here. I wish I could zoom in. Oh, so I'm trying to do this like below here so you can see. It's 0.000309. I'll hit approve. If the approval fails, it might say lack of gas. What that typically means is it needs more gas because the network is congested. Just add a 0 at the end and that's good. So now I've earned 30 FLIX. But the way they do this is they make it vest. So they have this thing called Stream Pay. So you click on check Stream Pay, and over the next 30 days, I believe, they're going to drip. So we'll hit connect. This is the first time I'm doing this, so you'll see me do this here. I'll hit connect over here. It's a next-gen payment module on the OmniFlix network, offering seamless streaming of tokens over time, whether it's regular payouts, real-time microtransactions, or lump sum transfers. So we'll hit connect. We'll do Kepler Wallet, OmniFlix, put all here, and you can see here that it's streaming 30 days, my 30 tokens, and I'm able to claim 0.007 FLIX right now, but what's really the point? So that's pretty much it. In 30 days, I'll be back here to claim this. Once that process has started with the claim, it doesn't matter about the deadline. You can come whenever you want. It's really, you only have until January 9th, however, to make sure you burn that NFT. So make sure you do that. I hope this was a very valuable video. Go out there. Don't let that NFT go to waste. Don't make the same mistake that I did in the past. If you found value in this video, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.